Of course, the simplest two-digit multiplication problems to carry out involve multiplying by 10. Multiplying by 10 is important to learn first because it doesn't even involve the algorithm typically shown with other vertical multiplication problems. We'll look at a problem like 30 times 40 or 70 times 90 to introduce this idea. When we multiply 30 times 40, we essentially find the product of these two numbers, the 3 and the 4, and add the number of zeros involved in the process. The same thing goes for 70 times 90. We look at 7 times 9, and likewise add the number of zeros involved in this process. But why does this work? What's actually going on here? Taking this one, for example, we see that 30 times 40 is the same as 3 times 4 times 10 times 10, as each of these numbers can be decomposed. This is the same as 3 times 4 times 10 times 10, which is equal to 12 times 100. We can see that the product of this will likewise be equal to 1200. In fact, these numbers can be broken up in any order you choose and multiplied in any order as well using the associative property. So it would be the same as 3 times 10 times 4 times 10. It's important for students to understand how multiplication by 10 works so they can later apply this idea when they encounter it in other vertical multiplication problems.